Welcome in our geography session for a standard 12th by Deshmukh Madam. We discuss a chapter 6 territory economic activities. There are several territory economic activities we can observe in our surrounding. There is a trade, transportation, banking, tourism, and many other services we can observe in our surrounding, and we use that services for fulfill our daily needs. In this territory economic activities, the transportation and trade both are important. The transportation is also play an important role for the development of trade is there. Transportation and trade both are correlated to each other. If transportation modes are developed, then trade also develop. For example, if airways, waterways, roadways are developed, then they are also play an important part in the development of trade. With the help of airways, we can transport the perishable products, high value products very easily from one place to another place. With the help of waterways, railways, we can transport the heavy material from one region to another region in a very low rate, low cost. Roadways are also supportive for the link in between the other mode of transportation. In your textbook there is an example related with the water transportation and its importance. This graph it shows a trade carried from 1980 to 2010 through the sea transport. Now we can observe in this graph there are the four oceans, three oceans and one seas is there. There is the Atlantic Ocean which shows with the help of this dark blue color. This is the Atlantic Ocean transportation and trade which carried through the Atlantic Ocean. Then sky blue ocean, it is a Pacific Ocean. The trade carried from the Pacific Ocean, it shows with the help of this sky blue color. Then trade within Indian Ocean, it shows with the help of this green color. And yellow color, it shows the trade from the trade which occur in a Mediterranean Sea. Here is a distribution of a trade through the water transportation from the year 1980 to 2010. There is a difference in between the percentage of ocean, the trade which occur from the ocean in 1980 and 2010 is there. There is a vast difference in between the trade related with the Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean trade is a 1980 we can observe it is a more than 45%, which is a reduced, and nowadays we can observe in a 2010 it is only more than a 20%. So the trade from the Atlantic Ocean is reduced, and the trade, the opposite condition related with the Pacific Ocean, the trade from Pacific Ocean is higher and increases day by day, and it is only 1980 it is near about the 35%, and now if we observe it, it is more than the 60% trade which occur by the Pacific Ocean. Same about the Indian Ocean. The trade from Indian Ocean is in a 1980 it is near about the 50% only, but nowadays we can observe it is more than 10%. The trade reduced from the Mediterranean Sea, now we can observe there is a in 1980 it is near about 10%, and now it is only 8% trade is occur from the Mediterranean Sea. Now this distribution and change related with the trade, it is depend on the several things. First we point wise discuss this chart or graph. This graph shows the ocean transportation carried from 1980 to 2010. Then mention 4 oceans only here. Here is a Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Mediterranean Sea is there. In 1980, Atlantic Ocean carried trade about 45%. It reduced, and in 2010 only 20% is there. So there are some reasons behind this. The reduce the trade from 1980 to now 2010. But the trade through the Pacific is increases and it goes on about 60%. Now here are also some factors which are responsible for the improvement, and the percentage of a trade is increased through the waterways related with the Pacific Ocean. There are several factors affecting on a trade. For example, population, development of air transportation. We can observe one thing related with the Mediterranean and Indian Ocean is also there is a vice versa condition. In a 1980, the Indian Ocean trade is less and Mediterranean Sea is higher. But now in 2010, we can observe the Indian Ocean. The trade through the Indian Ocean is increases, and the trade through the Mediterranean Sea is reduced and decrease. There is a trade related with the Mediterranean Sea. It is almost related with crude oil is there. That is a mineral oil and natural gas. The country, European country, they are also use waterways for the transportation of mineral oil in the first 1980 or 1990. But after the development of pipeline transportation, they also use another source of that transportation, and that's why they reduce the trade through the waterways. Now there is some different condition related with the Atlantic Ocean. Through the Atlantic Ocean, almost the West European countries and East American countries, North America, east part of North America is closely related with the European countries, and the trade in between these both continents is very good and highly developed. That's why in the beginning 1980 they use a water transportation. The North Atlantic route, which is utilized by this area of North America and Western Europe. Now that North Atlantic route is the busiest route in the world. But nowadays, due to the higher use of air transportation from this both region, due to the highly development in a air transportation system, they use a maximum transportation through the air route, and that's why their trade related with the oceanic trade is reduced. Almost the passenger transportation in between these both continent, Western Europe and North America, it is occur by the air transportation. Then what is the change in between Pacific Ocean and which reason is behind this? Almost we can say there is the population is a major factor which is responsible for the improvement of a water transportation or a trade through the Pacific Ocean as well as Indian Ocean. The population is a major factor which is responsible for the improvement in a utilization of a water transportation for a trade. There is the countries like China, Japan, India, Indonesia, Malaysian Island, Philippines Island, such island region as well as Vietnam, Cambodia, Myanmar, Bangladesh. These countries are located in a Asian region and which are also develop their trade due to the population, and these countries are not highly developed. Some maximum countries are developing country. That's why they utilize the water transportation instead of air transportation. That's why the trade through the Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean is increasing, and nowadays we can observe there is a tremendous change in between the utilization of water transportation or a trade in between a different oceans. In this way we can cover this point. In a next PPT we discuss in a next video we discuss about the tourism. It is also one of the important territory economic activity. Okay, bye.